Hi everyone! Ever wondered how to access network shares directly from your Windows command prompt without the hassle of mapping a drive letter? Today, we're going to dive into exactly that. How to browse UNC paths using CMD, keeping things simple and direct, without any temporary or permanent drive mappings. It's a super useful trick for quick tasks or scripting that needs to stay clean and efficient. First, let's quickly clarify what a UNC path is. UNC stands for Universal Naming Convention, and it's essentially the full network address of a shared resource, typically looking something like //server name /share name /folder path. You're probably used to mapping these to a local drive letter, like Z, to make them easier to access, but our goal here is to bypass that step entirely and work with the raw UNC path. So, how do we achieve this direct interaction? Let's start with listing the contents of a network share. You can use the dir command directly with the full UNC path. For example, if your server is named myfileserver and the share is shared docs, you would type dir //myfileserver shared docs grave accent. Press enter, and CMD will display all the files and folders located at that network share, just as if it were a local directory. You can easily go deeper into subfolders too. For instance, dir //myfileserver shared docs /projects grave accent would show you the contents of the project's subfolder. It's a straightforward way to peek into your network resources. Now, you might be wondering about changing directories, like using the cd command. This is where it gets a little different from local drive navigation. Unlike local drives where you can simply cd /myfolder grave accent, you cannot directly cd //myfileserver shared docs grave accent to make it your current working directory in the command prompt. CMD doesn't allow you to change your active drive context to an UNC path without an assigned drive letter. However, this doesn't stop you from performing actions on the network path. The solution is to always specify the full UNC path for every command you want to execute that interacts with that network location. For example, to view the contents of a text file located on the share, you would type //myfileserver shared docs /reports /quarterlyreport.txt grave accent. To copy a file from the share to your local machine, you'd use copy //myfileserver shared docs /documents /mypresentation.pptxc : local backup grave accent. Similarly, to create a new directory on the share, you would use mkdir //myfileserver shared docs /new project folder grave accent. While it might seem like a bit more typing because you're repeatedly providing the full UNC path, this method works perfectly and strictly adheres to our no mapping rule. You are directly commanding the system to interact with the network resource, maintaining your local drive context without creating any temporary or permanent drive letters. This approach is incredibly powerful for scripting, quick administrative tasks, and keeping your system clean by avoiding unnecessary drive mappings. Remember, the key to success here is consistency. Always use the complete //server share path with your commands, and you'll be able to manage your network resources efficiently and directly from CMD. That's how you can effectively browse, list, and manage UNC paths in Windows CMD without ever having to map a network drive. It's a clean, efficient, and direct way to work. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more useful tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.